Hello, good day, viewers. You're welcome back today. We're going to solve this question here. The question says, find the size of angle x, which is this angle here, if this line LN and line MN are tangent to the circle at this point M and line MK is parallel to N, and this line KO is the radius of the circle. So how can we solve this? If you look at these two tangents here, from the circle theory, there is a rule that if any two tangents are drawn to a circle from a point, the distance from that point to the point of contact is equal for each tangent. And that implies that the distance from this point M to point N and this point L to N are equal, and hence line MN equal to line LN. Now from this triangle here, since side MN and LN are equal, that means it is an isosceles triangle with this angle here as its vertex angle, because it is the angle the two equal sides make with each other, and this here are the base angles, because it is the angle the equal sides make with. And we know that the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal in size, so that implies that this angle here and this angle here are equal. So let's label this A, and if this is A, this must also be A. Now since we know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, we can add up the angles of this triangle and equate them to 180. So now we have A plus 40 degrees equal to 180 degrees. A plus A is 2A, so 2A plus 40 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Subtracting 40 degrees from both sides, now 2A equal to 140 degrees. To find A, we divide both sides by 2. So 2A over 2 equal to 140 over 2. Here 2 cancels 2, and here 140 degrees over 2 is 70 degrees. So A equal to 70 degrees. Substitute here now. Now recall, this line KM is parallel to this line LN, and this line MN is intersecting both. We know that whenever any two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the interior angles formed must sum up to 180 degrees. So since this is 40 degrees, this must be 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, which is 140 degrees. And we can see that this part of the angle is 70 degrees. So therefore, this must be 140 minus 70, which is 70 degrees as well. So now let's write it out here. Angle KML equal to 70 degrees. So we can have a clean space to continue our solving. Now since this line KO is a radius, that means this point O is the center. So we can draw out another line from this point O to this point M here. Don't forget, line MO is also a radius because it was drawn from point O here, which is the center of the circle, to this point M here, which is a point on the circumference. Now you can see this line MO has also divided this angle KML into two parts, which is angle LMO and angle KMO. But we know that their sum must be equal to angle KML. So we can form an equation that angle KML equal to angle LMO plus angle KMO. But angle KML here is 70 degrees, so we can substitute 70 degrees now equal to angle LMO plus angle KMO. Now if you come back to this triangle KMO here, since this side and this side here are equal because they are radii, that means it is an isosceles triangle with this angle here as the vertex angle, and this angle X and this angle KMO as the base angles of the triangle. We already mentioned earlier that the base angles of an isosceles triangle are always equal, so that means this angle X and this angle KMO are equal. So let's write it out as well. X equal to angle KMO. So since X equal to angle KMO, we can substitute X instead of angle KMO here. Now 70 degrees equal to angle LMO plus X. Making X the subject, we subtract angle LMO from both sides. So now 70 degree minus LMO equal to x, which is the same as x equal to 70 degree minus angle LMO. But what is angle LMO? We don't know yet. But since this is a radius here and this is a tangent both intersecting at this point M, from the circle theory, there is a rule that the radius of a circle is always perpendicular to its tangent through point of contact. So that means this right angle, which is 90 degree. But this line LM here has divided the angle into two parts, this and this here. So since this is 70 degree, this must be 90 degree minus 70 degree, which equals to 20 degree. So now we found angle LMO to be 20 degree. We can substitute it here now to find x. We have x equal to 70 degree minus 20 degree, which is 50 degree. So x equal to 50 degree. Thank you.